Hi, welcome to another video. This is going to be a quick video just to show you how to replace a broken cartridge. If you've got a tap like this, there are repair kits that you can use to repair them. So as you can see, I'm just taking this apart. I've already loosened this with a spanner and I shut the water off. Here is a typical reviver kit. So basically what it comes with: the cartridge, which is the bronze part that I just removed from the tap. It also comes with the surround and actual taps as well. You can get these in chrome or gold to match. And you've got some other little bits that you can use in here as well. But for these purposes, I won't need any of this. So I'm just screwing it in just to make sure it fits. And it's a perfect fit. And just to make sure it's opening and closing. Now I want to tighten this up properly with a wrench. So you will take it back apart and disassemble it. So first thing you need to do is just unscrew this. You should be able to do it by hand. And you can see a little screw in there. Take that screw off. Now you have the cartridge. So you just want to get a wrench, tighten it nice and tight. And that should be it. Then you want to screw the collar on. And you can tighten the collar with a wrench, but make sure you use a bit of cloth or something before so you don't damage the chrome. Then put the lever back on and tighten the screw up. And that is about it. And just make sure you do the other side as well. So I hope this has helped you. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.